Alright, this is my second hive. I just put a little smoke in. They don't look too bad, they look pretty nice. Down here, it looks like it's pretty dry, so I'm just going to feed them. Like I said, we got a few more weeks of hot weather. I guess I can just do it like this. Try to get these bees out of there, but look down there on the other side. I don't think I have a earplug in there to shows a visual cue. There we go. Let me pull this out real quick. Let it. I do. Look at that, it popped up. This bee, yeah, there goes the other one. Okay, I'm pretty certain that I pulled the formic acid strip out of there. Alright. I think I'm done with that for this yard. That's what I'm going to do. Just close it up. This right here. So with all my planning and organization, I failed to bring a fume board, which wouldn't make any difference right now. See all the clouds through that veil? But I may have an issue. I don't even have my blower out here, so this might be a struggle. I'll just try to blow them down with the make sure I got some good smoke in here. I don't feel like I do. Yeah, I got a little bit. I need to remember to see how that's leaning back. That's pretty obvious. I need to adjust that. Look at that. That's like that black propolis there. All right.